Hey, what's up, Bert?
Hey, don't bother me. I'm gonna sneeze.
Sneeze?
Yeah.
Hey, well, you can't sneeze, Bert. You don't even have a hanky. You can't sneeze without a hanky.
If I get my hanky, if I get my hanky,
Yeah?
I'm gonna sneeze.
Oh, I'll tell you what, Bert. Hey, you wait right here.
Don't move
I'll
me.
go out there and get a hanky for you. Wait right here.
I'll
Don't
sneeze.
move.
Don't
I'll go
move
get a
me.
hanky.
Don't move me.
Don't move.
Don't hit me again. Oh, hurry, Ernie. I'm gonna sneeze. Hurry.
Okay, Bert. Here's a hanky.
Okay.
Hey, you can go ahead and sneeze now.
Okay, but
Go ahead.
sneeze.
I'll hold the hanky for you.
Just
You know, sneeze right in here, boy.
Pretty big sneeze, though.
Okay, don't worry about it. When
Okay.
you gotta sneeze, you gotta sneeze.
That's right.
Go ahead, sneeze any way you want to.
Put the hanky right here.
Okay, go ahead, Bert.
Ready?
Go on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's coming.
Yeah.
I feel it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better, Ernie. That's good. Thanks.
Bert, bad news, Bert.
What's that?
Well, it's your nose here. Afraid you, sneezed your nose off there, Bert.
Rats.
Yeah.
Ernie,
Yeah?
do me a favor
What's up, Bert?
and keep it quiet.
Yeah?
Put my nose back on.
Oh, well, sure, Bert.
Okay.
I mean, I'd be happy to do that.
Good.
I mean, that's what friends are for, aren't they?
Okay,
To put their
friend.
friends' noses back on, right?
Right. Okay.
Sure.
Put my nose back on.
Lean down, Bert.
Okay.
Lean down.
Right.
How about right there? How's that, Bert?
Ernie, I don't think that's quite right.
Hey, look at that, Bert. Hey, you know, you should see where your nose is.
Yeah.
Why do you look funny,
I
Bert?
see it out of my left eye. I see it. Okay?
Yeah?
Will you
Yeah.
just put it back where it belongs, okay?
Okay. Here we go.
Now, no funny stuff.
Lean down. Lean way down, Bert. Way down low. And how about we put it right there? How's that, Bert?
Oh, that's great, Ernie. Oh, yeah, that was cute. Okay, now do it right, okay? It goes lower, Ernie.
I think you're right. It looks pretty funny where it is there.
Ho,
now, Bert.
ho. Ho, ho. Now just do it right. Put it lower.
Okay. Lean down. Lean
All
down.
right. Now do
Lean
it
down.
right, Ernie. Come
Okay.
on.
Let's see. It goes way down. How about down and how about along in here? As I recall. How's that, Bert?
Ernie, for the last time when you do it right, cut the funny stuff.
It looks
Come on
good on
now.
you there, Bert.
All
It
right,
looks good on you.
now put it above my mouth. Above my mouth. You know where it goes, Ernie,
Okay.
don't you? You know
where
where
it
it
really
goes.
goes. Where the
Okay.
nose goes.
You know where it goes.
Okay.
That's right.
There. How's that, Bert?
I feel much better. Thanks.
Yeah, you look like you again.
Oh, no.
Now what, Bert?
I'm going to sneeze again.